Hey, welcome to the Mason Pot fam. I have a super quick question for you. I might already know the answer. Would you rather pay $2 per 10 milligram distillate gummy or 36 cents per 10 milligram full flower entourage effect gummy? That's saying you get your 100 milligrams of distillate gummies for 20 a pop and 180 on the half ounce that goes into making those full flower gummies. I bring this up because what I've noticed in the game is people are paying 5 to 10x the cost for a way lesser quality product. So with the Mason Pot kit, not only do we save you money, but we bring you that better high, that better entourage effect, and just that all around feel that people are looking for. So not only are you saving money, but you're feeling better year round. Let's break it down just a little more here. Let's say you pick up that Mason Pot kit for $99. Then you pick up a half ounce of flour at 30% potency for 180 on the steep end, that's pretty high. That's gonna give you 420 full spectrum 10 milligram gummies. On that first batch, including the cost of the kit and the cost of the half ounce, that's gonna be 59 cents per 10 milligram gummy. Now, every batch thereafter will be 36 cents per 10 milligram gummy. So as you can see, and that's saying you're paying 180 bucks. Maybe you could use your already vaped weed. Maybe you could use trim, shake. Maybe you're a grower. Maybe you just got the plug, dude. You know, that's just saying that you're spending that much. Now let's think how much that would save you on an annual basis here real quick. So I actually just need to look at this and do the math real quick. So that's about, if you went to the dispensary and you were buying the distillate gummies, that'd be about $1,460 you'd be spending every year if you were eating 2 gummies a day. Now, if you're eating 2 gummies a day with the Mason Pot Infuse gummies, you would be spending $339.40. Now, over the year, that's gonna save you $1,100.60. Think where you could put that extra money. Maybe go get an Airbnb in the summertime, chill on a beach, buy some Christmas presents. Maybe just straight up buy some more weed, man. Yeah, I just wanted to break this down because it's kind of mind-blowing seeing the cost of some of this stuff. And I haven't even touched really on the health components of it. I mean, I have in other videos, but you have full control. You have the health benefits. You don't have other flavors and other shit in there, especially if you have dietary restrictions. Thanks for chilling at the Mason Pot fam. If you found value in this video, please sub, go on masonpot.com. Just take a couple minutes, look around, look at the manual. We'll get you taken care of, guys. Talk soon.